Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Sugar Swiggy, and today I just want to, invite you guys to spend just a regular day. We have a guest in the house, and it is Auntie Jody, and we are doing something really, really new to me. Yeah, so pretty. Alright, so guys, Auntie Jody gonna teach me how to make edges. Not edges, yeah. So I'm gonna use a flyaway tape and edge gel with olive oil, okay? I don't really know.
What are you using?
And this say you have to use the
Toothbrush.
toothbrush, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and I have this too. And I think that's it, right?
This one will do better because this too big.
Oh, okay. So almost.
So let me see this. So you have to take a little bit and put it on your hand.
All right.
So put it. Oh, you want them to see it. So
You what?
I'm gonna show you and then you can do it in front of your block. So you put some on the edge here first. And then when you get enough on it, then you have to use a brush like so. So you have to sweep it around like so. So you have to brush it down and then sweep it.
Brush it down and sweep it.
Yeah, depending how you want to do it. So take some of the gel or the jam, whichever one you're using. Put on the edge, and then use your toothbrush.
It smells
and
good.
Sweep it. Yeah, it smells good. The thing is, you can use the tail comb, but the classic toothbrush, nothing gets the baby hair like the toothbrush.
Oh.
So you just brush it. And then sweep it down. Feel it.
Yeah.
And put some more.
Wow. It actually looks good. One time I tried, you needed to see Errol was laughing at me
Really?
so hard because I did it so stupid. I did it like I am a mad woman, but it looks good actually.
Yeah.
No, that looks good.
So then you do the last. So I'm gonna do this side and then you do the next side.
Me?
So you
do
take
the
some.
next side? Nah. Oh, you have to sweep it like you have to press it a little bit, though.
Yeah. So
Oh.
see like that? That's not bad. But you can sweep it first before you put the gel on it.
Oh. Like that? This how you know what is the baby here? Like what for sweep?
Just the edge, whatever is at the front.
Oh, just a little here.
Yeah, so whatever is at the front lining of your hair,
Yeah.
you just sweep it, yeah.
Oh. You don't know it all.
You can do
Alright.
next side. You want to do the next
You
side?
want me to try?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yours.
Alright.
So you just like for yours, let me the brush. So like how you're just doing it.
Yeah.
Just sweep it first,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put the thing on it.
So first, I'm to sweep it down.
Yeah.
I don't have so much here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, like that.
Yeah. Then put the jam on it.
Put the
The gel. Yeah. At the top. Yeah. A little bit. Bring it up more, and then take the brush now and then sweep it. But you kind of want to like curl it a little. Yeah. All right. Go down.
It looks it looks so bad.
Sweep it. So bring it down, brush it
I
down.
don't understand how to sweep it. Like
So like the ones at the side, you're
Yeah.
gonna brush it down. Like down like this.
that.
Like to the side, like down, like here. Like that direction. So the one at the side, that's not bad.
That looks so stupid. You just don't know what if with my fingers. No.
Not bad.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
No.
It just not.
Cause it gel up now, so it dry. So
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, you have to be fast though.
alright, you see with the sideburns, yeah, the sideburns you have to brush them down that direction, like differently. Like so, alright. So the sideburns you wouldn't brush it like this. You'd brush it like this, like down.
Down.
Yeah, like down, like from here, you'd brush it down, like straight down, like this opposite direction.
Oh.
Down like so. Yeah. But it's because the gel up now it see if you can comb it out. So you're gonna do it's like this.
Wow, I like it. Looks nice.
Yeah, so then I'd put the gel on it.
I like this side too.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, baby, you're swaggy. Woo!
You can't talk to me.
Alright, catch a tour.
You see?
Alright, so now I take the gel or the jam. Well, this is what? Edge control. I think, yeah. So just put a little on it.
But you use it for the kids too.
Yeah.
That's
So
probably
then
the
put it
only.
here.
Oh, that's probably the only thing I will know how to do good when I'll have that.
Daughter, yeah. Yeah, because you're gonna make sure her edges are on fleek. This is our first attempt. And then you can do it. You can do it at the front more if you want to. Yeah.
But how to do it the front just fit it?
Yeah.
Like,
so it would be like. So you can do the front differently. Sometimes you can. Alright, so. Let me just give one of this style.
oh, I like it. I like it for real though. I like it.
Look cute, right? Yes. Edges on fleek.
You can use it for your brows too though. It holds brows.
It's too oily.
Oh, it's too oily.
Brow. Yeah.
Oh.
So I wouldn't put that on my brow. I'll just use a liner, like normal eyeliner. You use the eyeliner, right?
No, girls don't do it. Girls are just cute and just go like this.
Yeah.
I like it. I was like first time I can actually see myself with this, you know? Yeah, because before I used it a show Errol was laughing hard. I was always wondering how it is.
How to do
you
it?
know?
Yeah.
How to do it and how it looks.
Yeah.
It looks nice actually.
Yeah, I like
Just
it.
need for
It's
practice
cute.
though.
Yeah, just need practice.
Yeah.
But it's not hard.
It's not hard. Yeah, just sweep it
Yeah.
and
But practice and sweep it first and then you put the gel on
gel.
it. Yeah.
So you have it now too.
Yeah.
You do it regular?
Yeah.
Like every day? Yeah, it gives
Because
you a
my
style.
hair grow like Leo and Danny here. My hair grow on my forehead, so it's just easy to do
for
it
you,
that
like,
way. Yeah.
Danny. And Auntie Jody. Auntie Georgie is plotting Daniel here. Let's see if he will let Auntie Jody do it for long, because I don't really believe he can sit for long, honestly. I know. Yeah.
You want it?
It's tall, but because it's curly, you don't really like see how tall it is. But if you're gonna straight the curl, you're gonna see it. Yeah, long. Danny, I can't believe. I was thinking like he will never ever do nobody play he's here. But look, yeah. Looks like Muffin needs some lessons to learn how to plait here though. Yeah. Even Danny, look at Danny. Maybe with Daniel, Muffin start practice. No.
Start practice, man.
Yeah.
So you think you can do it?
Nah.
So sit down to let me do it.
Let's see how far. Let's see how far you do it. Let's see.
Let's see how long he will sit.
Yeah.
Really, oh dear.
Oh, what a pickle.
So in Jamaica, normally it's expensive to plait here.
For kids, this one costs like $1,000.
How much? Osh, Danny. Ooh. Because you know, every time we go for trim kids, I see how. Yeah, okay, Danny, stop it. I see how little girls they cry when the hairdresser plats their hair. They cry. Oh my gosh, they cry. Can they do it without mercy? No.
Yeah, they do it.
And just pop.
Maybe that's why we're going to go school next weekend.
Plait up. What do you mean? Because no matter what, Danny just does not want to cut his hair. No matter what. Even if you give him a box of Skittles, he will not say mm-mm.
And then maybe because they can't hear the thing too.
Jamaicans, they plait kids' hair when they sleep though.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Because we see a lot of videos when the actually kid is sleeping and they just, get busy with work. Yeah. Watch out. I love it. Oh.
You feel like say, we just say we laugh. We feel like say laugh out here and we get up.
Oh.
Last night, you remember the video we seen last night?
Yeah.
When they were fight on the bed?
Yeah.
You know, say after we record it, and they on the bed, me show what Danny. The man start ball even worse, I watch himself, because it's really actually you.
Yeah.
When you watch it back in that, you
Remember
I get mad.
Remember what?
When man leave, because you know, say ABC. My fight leave, say ABC.
Oh, they're always in competition.
Yeah.
That's it, Danny. That's the end. Oh, yeah, he gone to drink. Break, a little break. So Jody, I have this one. Check it out. Does it is it?
Yeah, like something like this. Yeah.
And I have this. And check it out.
Oh, edge gel. Oh, this is the edge, so this may not be.
Yeah, I said to Errol, if in Jamaica they don't have a model agency, so I could send my kids to the model agency.
So advertise, model agency.
Yeah. So. Yeah, like, so I did Google, but I saw only Pulse came, and Pulse is like for big people, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So guys, if you have in Jamaica any kids model agency,
Any food for kids?
yes.
Oh. Call me, but like me link back the Friday and come Saturday morning and say Jody. He says not a major role. I would know you only like major role. But instead they were shooting a flow commercial and said just stand up in the line and as an extra. But we couldn't do it because they had the dental appointment.
Oh, so most time they just the marketing companies just link people and
No, you go and audition for it. But
Audition.
that time, because it was just an extra, it wasn't a major role, so I wouldn't have any lines.
Oh.
So they just wanted me to come fill in. That
okay.
one.
Okay.
Like I remember saying Jody took a KFC video.
Yeah, guys, Jody's a superstar. Yeah. Yeah, with Christopher Martin, she did a one KFC advertisement. So, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, guys, I wanted just to ask if you have any like model agency contacts. So because
And if normally, and if they do it, it would probably be another family, because they normally say like if they have like kids normally, they would want people to audition together. So like they would say maybe a diverse family or stuff like that.
I don't know, but I see like Liam as a model for like Carter's clothes in companies. I don't know, something like that. Why not?
Then you have to fix it. You touch it and say fix it.
Fix it?
Yeah. Jody, give me your phone now.
Yeah, it looks good.
Take the landscape.
But son needs look at jail though. Oh come on, and just hear it come out.
You want money?
Oh, something come out. Oh, a film curl though. How does it look?
That one, Daddy. Want the money?
Yeah.
That's what I do, money.
Thank you. For money?
Let's go. Money. Like, look in the mirror. No, look in the mirror. Look, who's that? Who's that baby? See that? Auntie Jody, put it out. Please, man. You don't like it?
I don't like it.
Really?
Yeah?
Auntie Jody did it too.
No, don't bring it out, Danny.
Danny.
I'm so open it for you, yeah?
Then just say Rasta.
Look at Danny, handsome. Wow, so beautiful, handsome boy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Look, Auntie Jody
My
did. You don't
baby.
like it?
It
looks nice.
handsome. You're so handsome.
Daddy.
Yeah? Where your money there? Where your money there? See there?
Let's go.
Alright guys, so I wanted to give a little support to my sis-in-law because she created her very own YouTube channel, and Jody, tell us about it so people can come
I
follow
got my
it.
channel, guys. So subscribe. It's called Journey with Joe. And it's about me and my life. It's a journey. So it's about my life journey. It's fun. You can come over and watch the about what am I telling about again? Fitness, finance, all of that.
And traveling.
Yeah. A lot of adventurous stuff. So
Yes.
subscribe, like, share, comment. Well, subscribe, but yeah.
Also, yeah, alright. So guys, it's time to end the vlog. Thank you for
Soggy
watching.
baby ear.
Yeah. Cute and pretty.
I know, right?
I'd gal swag. Alright guys, take care, bye. Guys, a little update. So Auntie Jody helped me to find one company. She introduced me to one talent management company, and I contacted them. I asked them about my kids because, like I told you guys before, I want them to try do some modeling or push them into our commercial, something like that. Yeah, so I contacted the company and they answered me. So what I'm gonna do now, I will snap some pictures as they asked me to do, my kids, their face, and the full picture, front and side way. Yeah, and I will send them on their email, Lionel and Daniel pics. Yeah, we don't really want to, be in it, and it's more for my kids. That's what I'm saying. And I will dress them nice and neat and just take their pictures behind the white wall. Alright, so today I'm a photographer. He's everybody. Right there, this is the. So we're just gonna take his portrait first. Daniel! Shh! The working process. Leo, stand to that. Okay. Smile. No, without cheese. Just smile. No, just say. No, you don't need to do nothing. Just smile. Just smile.
Okay, smile.
Smile. No, you don't need to do this. Leo. You're not a bird.
Okay, Leo. Just open. Look at daddy. Go like this.
Stop.
Cheese.
See? Look at
Look at
that.
daddy. See? Cheese. Open. Show your teeth. Beautiful.
Look at me.
Stop now. Stay still.
Look.
Look at mommy.
Look. Smile.
Look at mommy. No, put it in your hands.
Cheese.
Yeah, look
Smile. You're not a bird. It's
So the teacher for need a school.
Leo.
I sit to this boy at Zoom class so they can't stay still.
No hands. No hands.
Yes, Leo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Smile like you get Skittles. Yeah.
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 Don't smile.
I stand, don't move, don't move. The teachers will get paid all for money, yeah. With these kids. You want to go to school?
Smile.
Alright, soon, yeah?
No, let him do it. Zara.
Lee, relax, relax.
Daddy,
Relax.
Daddy, I have to go to the wait slide.
To the side?
So
Yeah.
let's see if something came out.
Daddy.
Okay, soon.
I'm gonna go slide.
Yeah, so going outside, wait.
It's cute.
Yeah, Lee, photo shoot.
See?
Hot boy, Lee. Oh.
Yeah.
So it's not supposed to be full body, no? Just upper body?
Here and the portrait. Need some portrait, and then need to turn to the side. Earlier, come. And now.
Mother, take our son to the model. Jamaica's next top
I
model.
don't need no one else. Serious face. Give me serious face. No smile. No smile. No.
Yeah, angry bird.
Serious. No smile.
No smile. Serious. Let Daniel take your skittles.
No smile. No smile. Good.
Yeah, good.
See?
Yeah, serious. Let Daniel steal my skittles.
Leo, you see that?
Oh, yeah.
And now turn like to the side.
Yeah.
Mug shot.
No, for your mug shot.
No, move your
Put it in your hand, Leah. Put it in your hand. Yeah. No, look that way. Yeah. Look that way. Boss foot. Boss foot your back like real model.
Wait.
Oh.
Alright, so now I'm gonna snap Daniel. Come, Danny. Come, sit. Here. Danny, смотри на меня. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Cheese.
Danny, please. Daniel!
Boy, how do you feel?
Look at me.
Then look at mommy.
No.
Да, good job.
Дани, посмотри на меня. Еще. На маму посмотри. Дани, look. Look at me. Дани, no.
Boss full of force though.
You saw it.
Da.
You're short.
I won't see that, are you?
Dani.
Then give her pose again.
Okay, go. Stay like this. Wait. Like this. Yes.
Then give her middle finger a while ago. Oh, never mistake. Maybe I just mistake.
One mistake.
A mistake, man.
One mistake.
But remember baby picture, you might do that to see it again?
Dani, look at mommy.
Oh.
Good. Good.
Real hot boy.
Never
Hot boy, Danny. Never pet.
Yeah.